Your mom must be so proud, Brittany.
She probably would be, actually.
じゃあ、3、2、1、始め
Get her, Emily, get her!
頑張って
Emily!
Don't take that many. No, stop. You, stop taking pictures. Emily, actually, like, I'm trying. Just pick her up and put her. Shut up. I don't think I can pick her up right now.
Go, Emily!
Will you face me?
Will I what?
Face.
Will I go against you?
I will lose.
I'll try. Okay. I'm pretty weak, so...
Me too. I got beat by a 12-year-old. I mean, how strong can I be?
Yeah. Hey, me and Ayumi will go. Can somebody like video this?
I'll video it.
You can't change the zoom or anything though. It's already videoing, so don't press any buttons. Oh wait. Me and Ayumi will. So we're like both like not strong.
I'm going against the winner.
Versus.
I'll verse you.
The vicious, sweet, innocent Ayumi.
Tiny Kotone.
Versus tiny striped socked Coco. Come on, you guys, ganbatte!
Black sheep.
始め
This is really funny. Come on, you guys, beat the crap out of each other. I need something to watch on Facebook.
Just keep spinning.
This is really hysterical.
I know, I would like to waltz, actually. Waltz. Knock each other out!
Come on, beat the crap out of each other.
Epic sumo battle, Kotone. Watch it out!
Come on!
Straight! This direction. Out!
Come on, you guys. I'll take on winner.
Working on it! You can do it!
I have a feeling this might take a while. Someone's pants are falling off.
Ayumi, pull your pants off.
Ayumi, your pants are falling down.
Oh, your pants are falling down. Okay. Okay, let's go.
This is really funny. Just throw her down, man.
This is taking a...
Jesus Christ. It's a tie.
Let's go to 5
I'll take.
Alright, win again.
5-minute break. Okay.
I'll take on Kotone.
And the song.
I got your epic battle on video.